Alright, we're back. I'm keeping a very good camera view here of what we're doing, but go the other way, dumbass. There we go. That should be close enough to do something. Okay, so start blowing all this hardware out of here as quickly as we can. That inch, don't need 9 anymore. We'll be needing that. Need that right there. And that should be on the inside. Actually, I don't think they use those things. Okay, we'll find out. I forget what's inside the motor. Okay, very important, do not pull the rocker arm bolts out until these breathers are out. Otherwise you will pull those threads out of the head. Because they go all the way down. And the valve spring tension is trying to lift them up right now, so go ahead and undo them first. Do both sides equally if the weight stays the same, the motor doesn't want to fall over. Helps things out a little bit. Should have brought my 6-inch extension, makes it a little easier to do this. Oh well. Okay, as long as those are out, you don't have to worry risk about doing any damage. The other important thing is when you put these back in, make sure you blow the oil out of the bottom of the holes. Otherwise you'll hydraulic the head apart and blow a hole in the bottom and it leaks oil. Right between the spark plug hole under here. You can use a Q-tip if you don't have air, just get in there and get it all out. If you don't, you're going to have lots and lots of problems breaking heads. They're very thin up under there, they break easy. Back in the day, all the Harley mechanics bought all my extra heads because they kept blowing and breaking them. I guess it was a warranty issue. They had to pay the bill. They didn't like that. Filling it full of goop and plugging it back up didn't really work, so. Oh well. Okay, the top part of the breather comes off. Bottom part stays with the head. Or the rocker box, I should say. Keep those together, don't mix them. Okay. So now all the bolts are out except for the 1/2-inch ones here to hold the box down. We have push rod tension on these because I didn't release anything. I didn't turn the motor over. Looks like this valve is down for sure. These ones look pretty equal. This one here is definitely under heavy tension over here because I can see it's down like this. So you want to make sure you bring these bolts up kind of evenly so it distributes the load equally. There is hydraulic tension on here trying to lift it right now, so it's not like there's zero. So just go easy and slow and it works out good. Of course I'm going to use my power tool, so it won't be too slow, but it'll be semi-even. This side came up the highest. Okay, that comes out. This over here. Push rods come out. These are adjustable. So they'll be readjusted when they go back in. If you care about what they are now, you could have marked them, but we're 12 ahead, so it doesn't matter. Okay, same thing over here. Tension, so do this first. Okay, I didn't bring my half-drive socket, I don't think. It's a 12.5 inch, so it only's got the half-drive, so we're going to use our half-drive gun. Make sure it reverses and not torque. It'll break the motor if we don't do it correctly. These don't matter which way you do them. Okay. One somewhere. Okay, these might fall off together or not. One came off first. Push rod cover came apart, no big deal. I just made a big mess on the floor there. Put your push rod cover back together so you don't lose the parts. Easier to take the clips off. The O-ring appears to be crystallized rock hard. Right there. Not too bad. Actually, I was looking at the steel washer, but same difference. Okay, put them back together as units, so you don't lose them. Right. Both of those came off, no big deal. Making more of a mess again. That's alright. See that kind of messes around. Parts, obviously. Just a bunch of small parts, they went somewhere. One cover, one spring, and one washer. An O-ring. There's one. Okay, we got a washer. Not there, we're missing the cup and the spring. There's a cup and a spring missing. There's the cup. Where'd the spring go? No springy. Where did the springy go? Springy went bye-bye. Alright, we're missing a spring. Figure out where that's at. Overhead gaskets. That one came off already. Those appear to be on there tight. If you hit the fin straight on, it doesn't hurt them. If you hit them at an angle, they break. One cylinder out. Two of them out. Well, the crank's not really turning. I guess the magnets that aren't on these things. Alright. Pistons are out. Alright, we need to figure out where that spring went to. Better house cleaning. Clean up your oil now, you don't do it later. You'll make a mess. Hey boy, can I use some oil? Alright. You over here to help? Yeah. Something fell down, I don't know what that is. Looks like a piece of crystallized rubber. Alright, so there's a motor. Pistons have to come off, but other than that we're keeping it. Rods are fairly snug in this thing, which is not usually what I want to see, but usually what you find. They're pretty tight. Tight means they're stretched a little bit. They have some clearance, but they're not sliding, so they're tight. Alright, so I don't know where the spring went to. Alright, let's get this up on the table and load it back. Oh,